What up, Galaxy Watch gang? So I know y'all saw the title of today's video, man. Pro is the Galaxy Watch 5 a Pro watch coming from a Galaxy Watch 4 user? Well guys, it is finally here, man. I have both colors of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro here in-house, and I would have had the Watch 5, but you know, FedEx is being FedEx, and I think somebody over there might have actually stolen my order, but I'm still hopeful, man. I'm still working on that. So FedEx, if you're watching, help me out. Help a brother out. But since y'all rock with me and I rock with y'all, man, I'm gonna be showing you guys both colors here, so that way y'all can argue down in the comments on which color looks the best. Give a thumbs up if you rock with the gray color, and give a fire emoji if you rock with the black color, man. But we gonna see in this video, y'all, if I feel like coming from the Watch 4, if the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro feels like a Pro watch. But y'all already know, man, before we get into all of that and checking these bad boys out, y'all know what to do. Comment down below right now how many likes is on this video here at the time you guys are watching it, and also make sure you guys hit that like button as well, and let's go ahead and run these video views up, baby. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so starting off with the new gray color, we're gonna push the black one here off to the side because this is the one, y'all, that I've been most interested in and seeing myself, and I know y'all been kind of dying to see it too. Now both of these watches here are made of titanium instead of aluminum material that we saw on the Watch 4, as well as what we're seeing on the Watch 5. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of both of these bad boys, and we're gonna start with the gray one here is first. Now, just like I did in my Galaxy Z Flip 4 video, we going grandma scissors in this bad boy right here. You know, I don't know where my unboxing knife is, but you know, we always got a pair of grandma scissors hanging around. All right, y'all, so taking it out of the box here, as you guys can see right off the back, we have the watch in itself. Now these do come with the bands actually on them, so let me go ahead and pull this one here out of the top here, and let's see what we actually got in the top half of here. And I definitely just tore that. Let's see here, we got some paperwork here. So we got our wireless charging cable. Now this is different than what we saw on the Galaxy Watch 4, and let me show y'all what the Galaxy Watch 4 looks like. Alright, so now I actually have mine in this kind of like this stand that I bought here, and I'll link this stand here down in the description section below, as well as a longer 3-foot cable. I want to show you guys the differences because I haven't actually seen anybody talk about the differences of the cable, because it's definitely got a pro vibe to it for sure. So now the original cable that we had with the Watch 4, this was all like a plastic material. Now it feels like with this Pro model, it feels like this is also like a titanium material as well that they decided to go with when it comes to the charging port. Now the charging port for the Watch 5 Pro is smaller than what we saw on the Galaxy Watch 4. As you can see here, side-by-side comparison, this one here is the Watch 4 and this one here is the Watch 5 Pro, and you can literally see, stacking them up side by side, that the one on the right here, which is the Watch 4, is a whole lot bigger than the one on the left. And I'm gonna be honest, I do like the one on the Watch 5 Pro a whole lot better because it is definitely a much more solid material for sure. Probably spent a little too long on that, but I wanted to point it out. Now the next thing I want to pull out here is the watch in itself. I'm not gonna lie, this bad boy definitely feels chunkier for sure. Now let's go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison to the Galaxy Watch 4, and you guys can kind of see here there is definitely a difference in size for sure. And let me turn them over to the side, and you can see there the Watch 5 Pro is definitely a chunkier, it's a chunkier boy, that's for sure. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of liking it. Now with the Watch 5 Pro, we also got a new band style. Now this is going to be more of like a gapless band because we didn't get that with the Watch 4, and this is something that I'm actually liking, because one of the things that I didn't like with the Watch 4 was the fact that you get a lot of, like, I don't know, like kind of like dirt and debris that kind of sticks in between here, the watch band and the watch face in itself. That kind of looks nasty. So with this one, it seems like they kind of eliminated that by kind of closing off this gap, so you don't really get any spacing with that, which is something that I definitely like. And yeah, definitely pro type stuff for sure. So let's go ahead and take this part off. So there's a little sleeve that they got on the hinges itself. As you can see here, the back of it, it is a plastic material. Again, the size of it is a titanium material along with the front here, and then you also have a stronger glass here on the front surface of this watch, which is going to help with like dings, scratches, all that kind of stuff like that. But like I said, I recommend you guys always get a screen protector for your Galaxy Watch at all times, man, because I'm telling you, y'all don't want to be one of them people out there walking around with the cracked screen, because I told y'all not to do that with y'all Watch 4, and a lot of y'all listened to me. I even had a couple of y'all commented and told me, man, that, you know, I saved y'all watches screen, so you're welcome. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the black version of this one so I can show you guys what this one actually looks like as well, so y'all can again make that conscious decision. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out, and I'm not gonna take the paper out of this one because it's pretty much going to be the exact same that you guys get in the other model. So I just want to kind of show you guys the different color options that you can get with this watch. So you also have the black version here. Now the black version, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the black version a little bit better than I do like this gray color, because this gray color almost kind of seemed like a brown. It's like a brownish gray. It's not necessarily like a straight gray. It's kind of got a hint of brown in it as well, versus this black model being like a straight, just all black, kind of a matte finish when we got here on the sides of it. And yeah, I think I'm kind of liking the black one a little bit better than I'm liking this gray version here. But you know, that's just kind of my initial impression of it. So there you guys have it with that. So let's go ahead and probably we're gonna set up this this black one. Now I'm trying to figure out this band. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this band it's starting to seem a little difficult to me. So how this work, y'all, if y'all are not if y'all like me and kind of was curious on how this actually works, so basically what this does, when you guys get it, it's going to be clasped together like this with its magnets, right? So all you have to do is just pull this away from the magnet, and to be honest, this magnet is pretty strong as well. So you're gonna pull this part here away from the magnet itself, right? And you're gonna take this in here, and you're literally just gonna slide it right into here, and just gonna slide it down until you can figure out what's your fit. So for me, I'm gonna slide it on like so, put it around my wrist, and then I'm just gonna kind of keep like pulling a little bit. So like for me, this is cool. Actually, this fits perfectly on my wrist. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on, get it connected to my Galaxy Z Flip 4 here. And if you guys want to see the unboxing of this video and setup, go ahead and feel free to check out this video right up here that I have for y'all in the top right corner. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all me connecting this up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and power that bad boy on, and we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy connected. All right, y'all, so we pretty much got everything set up on this watch on how I would actually wear it. Now I kind of want to tell y'all about as far as just my initial impressions of using kind of this like newer style watch band that we have. Now let me tell you like the thing that I love about it, right? The one thing that I love about this watch band is I love the watch band for how comfortable it is. Now it is a ridiculously comfortable watch band. Like it feels really premium on your wrist. Like now when they talk about as far as like having like a pro model watch band, I gotta say this is definitely up there as far as a pro level watch band. This is probably by far might be the most comfortable watch band I've actually ever felt on my wrist. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Although it's a titanium material, it's kind of light on my wrist. That's one thing that I've noticed for sure. Now, the other thing I want to kind of talk about is using the digital dial. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The digital dial on here, I mean, it's still kind of finicky, but I will say by it being and having this concave look to it right here, I feel like with this little outer concave-ish style face that they got, it kind of makes it easier and kind of gives you like a reference point to say to where to like stay in and kind of have your finger. Having this raised lip right here actually somewhat makes it a little bit more accurate, as well as a little bit more easier to be able to kind of scroll with your finger on things. Now for me, I'll probably still end up just kind of doing what I've always been doing, and that's just kind of swiping with my finger. I just feel like it's a lot easier and quicker to get to where I need to actually get to. But definitely having this black on black rolly watch face for this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is definitely the go-to for sure. And if you want to know how to actually do this, then I'll link that video up right up here on the screen, and I'll show you guys step by step on how to actually put this onto your Galaxy Watch 4 or even your Galaxy Watch 5 or 5 Pro. It will work for all of those as well using Wear OS. Now, how do I actually feel about this watch here coming from something like the Galaxy Watch 4? Right now I'm gonna be honest, it's hard to kind of tell if it's a pro level smartwatch and really understanding like really what pro level means from a smartwatch perspective. But I will say this, y'all, in my initial impressions, I'm actually liking this watch a little bit more than I thought I actually would, especially from someone coming from this watch here that I love so much, because y'all already know, man, I still love the Galaxy Watch 4. I think it is a solid watch, but I'm also looking forward to spending 48 hours with both of these watches right here and just kind of dropping my review on it here really soon on the channel, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I would say, man, right now I got a positive outlook on what I think about this watch and kind of what they've done as far as turning it into a pro level watch, man. It's definitely beefier, that's for sure, so we're gonna see how I feel about that as well coming up in the upcoming videos. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited to actually put this watch here through its paces for the next 48 hours and just giving y'all my thoughts on the battery life, comfortability with the new band that I've been, you know, I got a love-hate relationship with, as well as the color that I'm going to be wearing and rocking the most, as well as the newer features and just overall usage of the watch, and just giving you guys my honest, raw opinion. So like always, man, always make your move and always remember your why. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad! This watch is so fire.